Welcome to how to fix your camera on your phone. So in this video we are going to show you how to fix your camera on your phone. So before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So there are like couple of ways to fix the camera on iPhone if it's not working. Okay, so the first thing is that let's suppose that if you open up your camera here and it's not opening up, or if it's opening up it's not taking the pictures, what you're gonna have to do, you can just simply turn it off. You can just simply kill this process and then you can basically restart your camera app to see if the issue fixes. Okay, and the next step that you can do is to basically restart your iOS device. Okay, just turn your phone off and and remain turned it off like 1 to 2 minutes, and then after it restart it again and check if the problem is solved or not. And the last thing that you can do here, that you can go to the settings of your iPhone and then search here update and check if there are any software updates available. Okay, if there is any software update right now, so you just need to update your iOS and it should fix all the problems. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.